We are out of Korea. And we are in Thailand.
Yeah, we're in a little place called
Taipei Inn.
Yeah.
Chiang Mai.
Yeah, very vintage type of vibe. And then me and that.
We have like just got in. This is just a little tour. Hello. Love it.
I love it.
Oh my goodness. So it was like a 6 hour, ended up being like a 6 hour flight over here. Oh, it should be down. It was like a 6 hour flight over here. My back kills me. Hello, Coca. So we're just gonna unpack because in local time it's 11 p.m. We got a taxi here. We're gonna quickly unpack and then we're just gonna explore the area a little bit.
Get some food.
Yes. But we are here for 28 nights. We're spending Christmas here, New Year's here.
My birthday.
It's our first full day in Thailand today. We're currently at a cafe. Devoured the pastries. So good. The weather is so nice. It's like 24 degrees. It's such a crazy shock coming from 2-degree weather in Korea to
-2 degrees.
yeah,
at that
to
point.
summer weather here, but it's so nice. We're just on the way to making a stop before we go to this electrical store because we need to get power converters because we didn't think to buy them until the day before we left. So, and we're right in the kind of main square of Chiang Mai now. Our hotel's very close to here, so just have a look around and see what's out here. Place. We're getting a coffee and we're gonna go see some elephants.
Yeah, start the day right with a little caffeine and then tweak the fuck on for Fine.
First, pad thai. So good. What do you get?
I promise you, there was a lot more on here when it came. I got a rice and with Thai style omelet.
We got my drink, my food. The weather's so lovely today. Then we got an hour until we go to the elephant enclosure.
Oh yeah.
Girl, we're feeding elephants. They're huge. Whoa.
Not a bad one,
Very arrogant, baby. When I say come here, no. Now,
are at the Grand. Oh, I wish I could record on the thing. It's like obstacle course, and like they have
People fighting right now.
yeah, there's people like fighting. It's like a Muay Thai. But we're gonna go on the zip line soon, and we're gonna go get coffee because we've been on the obstacle course a bit, and I'm soaked. But that waterproof mascara. Hey. Are you having fun?
I'm having so much fun. Well, they overstimulated, but it's fine.
Yeah, it's so bright and colourful, and there's so many people, and whew, and I lost my nose ring. But yeah. Whoa. I just left my phone by the lockers. We went to get a drink, and we had to get a Coke because they didn't have a cafe. And I was like, oh my god, where's my phone? And we went up, but there were some people that were like looking over it, make sure it didn't get stolen, so thank you. Yeah, it's so warm today, oh my god. We're at the real Grand Canyon. Leaving the water park, we are water parked out. But yeah, beautiful.
The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Take me home, can't you know? On my baby.
Oh my god, Elise. Now you're in my vlog. Yeah.
Hello.
Vlog. It's us again. Now we're in Thailand, Chiang Mai. Yeah, it's pretty lit, you know. And it's, yeah, we're heading back to the hotel right now. I'm gonna dox it right here. Come to our address, don't be shy. We do bite, but only up for willing participants. Yes, we do. Ooh.
Okay, girls, let's show how it's done. Get it over till we say, and I've only just begun.
Hey. Oh my god. I can't even walk straight, it's so embarrassing. We are at the Central Festival, Chiang Mai, biggest shopping mall in northern Thailand. Whoa. Yeah.
The biggest one?
That's what I heard.
Okay.
Yeah. We immediately got lost.
No, but you immediately got lost in that.
No, she said let's go down here, and now we're in a car park, and we're trying to get back inside.
How does Kitty get a freaking thing? Kitty, how do you even get down? Kitty. Look at it. Going out anytime soon? She's a jail. Oh my god.
How is your day? How is your experience going in Thailand, Chiang Mai? Whoa,
It was so
this area was so nice.